The sensors pick up the.
I'm waiting.
The sensors pick up the controller, so you get points.
Everybody laughing at your video.
We're laughing with you.
Okay,
Oh, Merry Christmas,
let's go. Let's go.
Is he pink?
Yeah, I'm blue. Oh. Are y'all gonna do it, Mama?
We're not gonna time. This is a real long one, so you might want to stop halfway through.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
You can't stop it?
Press the home button.
Well, we'll only do one, and we'll let them do everything else.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, we can stay over
And
here.
Justin said he wasn't gonna do it, so.
He might change his mind.
No, I can't dance. I learned that from
This isn't
Sim.
dancing. This is probably what the person's doing.
This one you can just shake your controller.
I don't think you should be allowed to video these things.
Oh, okay.
What?
Yeah, video.
That's what I'm doing.
You can't just move your controller.
Oh,
around
you are
to be
video.
able to get it done.
You should have seen Andrew and Mary Ann doing this one. I know what Andrew looked like.
Oh, these are
I
still.
don't like this part.
Yeah, you have to watch out for the light above you.
Technically, you don't have to move your leg because it's
Do whatever you want here, I think.
What the?
I'm not sure.
You get a workout. That's
It was just like some African dance.
Yes.
We have to get there.
Yeah, it's fine.
My family would go crazy.
I know.
Wow.
We had a lot of friends over to do this. Yeah, you should see everybody. It's just hysterical.
I love the lightning in the background. The volcano.
It's a volcano when you.
It's smoking. Because I love your tongue. That's why. These guys kind of sticking out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we should put the short one.
No, it's fine. It's just. All of them are long.
Okay, which one are you going to do next? You ready?
Okay, Delaney and
Well, we're not
Hillary.
doing
We're
that.
doing Delaney.
Wait, there's one more song.
You gotta do it.
You might want to take your jacket off.
Yeah, of course.
See, each thing
I mean, you don't have
is
to.
different,
Yeah,
so
yeah, so
it's a lot easier if you have the game and know the moves.
if you know the moves.
Yeah.
If you look at the bottom, they tell you.
I
what's
know,
coming.
but
You're right. After
I
you've done a song a couple times, you're familiar with it.
I have Dance Central that teaches you moves, then you can perform it and then you go through
Yes.
the
Alright, guys.
She's gonna go dance.
All right.